Hello everybody, welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. Thanks again for joining us. Don't forget to like and subscribe, share the video, and let us know who you'd like to see us draw next. Follow us on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, of course YouTube, and in the comments let us know who you'd like to see. We're trying to catch up with all these requests, and today we're going to draw running back for the Dallas Cowboys, Tony Pollard. Played college for the Memphis Tigers. 4th round draft pick in 2019 to the Cowboys. Upcoming superstar, one of the best running backs in the league right now. So let's get started. Find the center of your page up and down, the center of your page across, and we'll draw Tony Pollard's head, cartoon style up there. We'll get our dark marker, pointed tip, and here we go. Tony Pollard's got kind of a skinnier face, so we're gonna go pop out with a cheek, down to a pointed chin. Bring that pointed chin up and pop out the cheek up here. So it's a lot of curves. We got curve out, curve for the chin, curve for the other cheek. Kind of bigger ears, so we're gonna pop these out. As we do cartoons, it's okay to draw things bigger than they really are, overemphasize. So we're gonna draw a circle. These are for Tony Pollard's big earrings, diamond earrings that he has. We'll do a curve on the side, curve on the side for the head, and we'll connect up and down. There we go. Tony Pollard's head. Line down for the neck, bring it down to a point, bring that point up to the neck, bump for the shoulder pad, bump out for the shoulder pad, curve down, and now we're gonna curve it down to the waist, straight across, curve down the armpit to the waist, and connect. There we go. All right, let's do the pants here. We'll go down, curve up toward the middle, bring that down, curve up, and connect to the waist. Okay, now let's do the ankles, the calves. Down, kind of slant in, connect at the ankle, down, slant this line in, connect at the ankle. All right, just got a message on my phone. I'm sure you heard that. Alrighty, let's do the big shoes. Bump up for the tongue of the shoes. 1, 2, 3 bumps for shoelaces. 1, 2, 3 bumps for the shoelaces. And then we're gonna bring the shoe clear out to the side of the page. Straight across to the heel. I just realized my fingers are really dirty. I was working on a vehicle yesterday, so sorry about that. Anyway, bring the heel down. Straight across to the edge of the page. Big giant clown shoes connect to the shoelaces. All right, so let's do the football over here. Curve down to a point and stop. Start up here, curve out and down to a point and stop. There's your football. We'll do 1, 2, 3, 4 circles for the fingers holding onto that football. And let's do his arm. Bump straight into that football. Okay, here's the elbow, bump, straight into that football. And let's do his hand out here. We'll do a big thumb, curve down to the finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, and connect. So in here we'll do a Dallas Cowboys star. That'll be fun. Okay, bump for the big shoulder bicep area. And into the hand, connect to the thumb. Okay, right on, we have it blocked out. So let's do the head up here. We'll do angle up, start at the ear and angle up, in, and now we're gonna go straight across, kind of a curve and connect for the hairline. All right, we'll do some ovals for eyes. We'll do one oval there, sideways oval there. course, we got to do our circles on the inside for highlights. Leave those white. We'll do a smaller one right there for another highlight. Leave that white. I like to do a curve, like a rainbow shape. We're gonna fill this area in with our dark marker, leaving those highlights white because those highlights bring our characters to life. Just add a little interest to the character. So color in these areas with your dark marker. And really quick, I get a blue, could be a whatever color blue. I like to get a light, maybe a baby blue. And I fill this area in. I like to say this is the stadium lights reflecting off of the eyes of our player, just to add a little color. So let's do eyebrows. Arch over the eye, arch over the eye, and now we're gonna do a thin arch to connect, color that in. Pollard has smaller eyebrows, so we're just gonna keep them small. Okay, there we go. Let's do a nose. So come down from the edge of this eye, dot, the edge of this eye, and dot. See those two dots? We're gonna connect those with our nose. So down, up. It's kind of the shape of a bird. So we go down for the nostril, curve around. All right, let's do the mouth. So he's got a kind of a sideways smile. Let's see if we can do this. We'll go up, down. So this is kind of a bigger up to a point and a smaller bump. And we're gonna go down, straight across, and up. Okay? Give him a little smile lines on the side of the mouth. Give him a lip. And we'll do lip on top. Okay. Got a chin beard, of course. Everyone has chin beards these days, so we'll scribble in a little chin beard right there. And we have Tony Pollard basically blocked out. I'm gonna get my dark blue pointed tip marker for the Cowboys. We'll do the stripes and the number right now. Let's do, see if I can figure this out for you. Okay, so we'll do a stripe down to a point, bring it up, and over here on the side we'll do some straight across, angle down, and straight across in. Okay, same thing on this side, straight across, angle in, and straight across. Okay, we'll do the stripes over there. It's gonna be white, silver, white, white, silver, white, and white, silver, white on this stripe. So let's do the number 20. Okay, here we go. Straight across for the 2, angle down, down, over, up. And if you need to take your time on these numbers, I always say hit pause. These numbers are always a challenge, even for me. So lots of angles. Okay, there's the 2, the best we can. Angle down for the 0, angle down, come straight down, angle in, up, there we go. We'll do a rectangle on the inside of that 0. Okay, cool. And over here, we'll do a stripe with our blue, we'll do a stripe with our blue. And in the fast forward here, we'll color all these in. I just want to block these in. We're gonna color the socks dark blue. We'll do a stripe on the shoes. We'll color those in dark blue. The reason I'm scribbling these in, just so you know in the fast forward what we're gonna color blue. We'll color this whole jersey blue too, okay? And let's do a outline. On the jersey, on these numbers. Okay. All right, we're gonna fast forward now. Tony Pollard, Dallas Cowboys running back, superstar, get ready for the season. Here we go. Thanks for joining us on Hey Kids, Let's Draw. Please subscribe, trying to build our subscriber base and share this video. Fast forward now.